Hello students, now coming to the next question. Now we have to given a portion of this graph, okay, portion of the graph of 2x minus 4x cube. Now what will be the actual graph of y equal to 2x minus 4x cube? That will be y equal to x into 2 minus 4x square, okay. So from here we will get x is 0, x is 1 by root 2 and x is minus 1 by root 2. So from here if we make the graph, then what will be our actual graph? Our actual graph will be like that. Now what is question is saying, a line y equal to c is cut that graph at a point a and b. Let us suppose that line is y equal to c, okay. Now that is point a and that is point b, okay. Now we have to calculate that area. We have to given a1 and a2, and coordinate of a is the point small a and coordinate of b is the small b, okay. Now from here we can say, question is saying the line y equal to c is such that area of the region mark 1 and 2 are equal, means these two areas are equal. So from here we can say a to b fx dx, okay, a to b fx dx, that will be equal to a to b fx dx, that is dark area, okay, that dark portion area. So we can say that will be equal to area of this rectangle will be c into b minus a, but now these two are equal, so we can say 2 times c into b minus a. Now integration of that part will be 2 times x square by 2 and minus 4 times x4 by 4 from a to b, okay. Now that will be equal to 2c into b minus a. Now from here 2 and 2 will be cancelled out, 4 and 4 will be cancelled out. Now from here we will get b square minus a square and minus times b4 minus a4, because b square minus b4, then minus times a square and minus a4, so we will get plus a4. Now from here we can see b minus a will be cancelled out, b minus a will be cancelled out from all of these, then we will get b plus a, and b plus a will be common from here, then we will get 1 minus b square plus a square, because b4 minus a4 is b square minus a square into b square plus a square. Now that will be equal to 2c, okay. Now this graph is the graph of 2x minus 4x cube and the line y equal to c cutting this graph. So from here we can say c will be 2x minus 4x cube. Now let us suppose these two roots are a and b, and let us suppose third root of that expression, that will be alpha, okay. Now from here we can say 4x cube minus 2x plus c equal to 0 has 3 roots a, b and alpha, 3 roots a, b and alpha. So from here what is the value of a plus b plus alpha? So sum of roots that will be equal to 0 is here. What is the ab plus b alpha plus a alpha? That will be equal to minus b by a, then c by a. C by a is minus 2 by 4. So that will be equal to minus 1 by 2. Now product of roots. Now product of roots, that will be a, b alpha, that will be equal to minus b by a, c by a, then minus d by a. So that will be equal to minus c by 4, okay. Now from here a plus b equal to minus alpha. So from first equation we say a plus b is equal to minus alpha, okay. Now from this equation we can say ab plus alpha times a plus b, ab plus alpha times a plus b, and value of a plus b is minus alpha, that will be equal to minus 1 by 2. So from here value of ab is equal to alpha square minus 1 by 2, alpha square minus 1 by 2. Now if you put the value of all of these here, then we can find out the value of the alpha, okay. Now from here what is the value of c is also there. C was the minus 4 times, C was the minus 4 times AB alpha. Okay, now C is minus 4 times AB alpha, and we know the value of AB is here. Now I am putting the all values in this equation number 1. Then if I am putting all the values, then what I will get? A plus B. A plus B is minus alpha. Okay, A plus B is minus alpha, and that is 1 minus A square plus B square. So we can write that will be 1 minus A plus B square minus 2AB. Okay, now that will be 2C, and C will be minus 4AB alpha. Okay, now from here, what is the value of A plus B? Now from here we can say A plus B equal to minus alpha. A plus B equal to minus alpha. So minus alpha into, so from here we can say minus alpha into 1 minus A plus B is minus alpha, so that will become minus alpha square, then plus 2 times AB. So value of AB is alpha square minus 1 by 2. Now that will be equal to 2 times C, and minus value of C is the minus 4B alpha. So from here value of C is minus 4AB alpha. So from here we can say minus 8 alpha, and AB is the alpha square minus 1 by 2. Now from here alpha and alpha minus alpha and alpha will be cancelled out. Now that will become 1 plus alpha square, 1 plus alpha square, and 2 into minus 1 by 2, that will be minus 1. And now from here that will be 8 alpha square and minus 4. Now from here 1 and 1 will be cancelled out. 7 alpha square, that will be equal to 4. So from here alpha is 2 by root 7 and minus 2 by root 7. So alpha is in negative x-axis, so alpha is the minus 2 by root 7, but we have to calculate the value of A plus B. So A plus B is equal to minus alpha, so that will be equal to 2 by root 7. So our correct answer is the option number A. Thank you.